Hello, my friends. Thanks for joining me today on English with Ease, your place to practice real English in a simple, clear, and confident way. I'm Megan, and in this lesson, we're going to do something powerful. We're going to learn how to make new English words stick in your memory for good, not just for today, not just for a test, but for life. So grab a notebook, relax, and let's get started. Here's the truth. Most people don't forget words because they're lazy. They forget because the brain didn't really connect with the word. A word you only see once is like someone you meet for 2 seconds. You'll probably forget their name. But a word you use, speak, and picture in your life, that word becomes your friend. But before we start this lesson, let's play a game. I want you to go to the comments and write about how your day was yesterday. But here's the rule. Write for the full 30 seconds without stopping. Don't worry about grammar or spelling. Just keep writing in English. Are you ready? 30 seconds. Starting now. How did that feel? Did you write for the whole 30 seconds? Good. Games like this help enhance your English because it builds confidence. Many beginners are scared of making mistakes, but this game removes that pressure. The goal isn't perfection, it's practice. It also makes learning social. When you post your answer in the comments, you're not just practicing, you're also learning from others, seeing how they write, and becoming part of a community. Now, let's get started with today's lesson. Let's practice some words together. Ready? First word is deliver. Deliver means to bring something to someone. Say it with me. I need to deliver this package. The teacher delivered an important message. The pizza was delivered late last night. Great. Now that you've practiced deliver, let's move to another useful word. Second word is arrive. Arrive means to reach a place. Say it with me. We arrived at the station on time. She arrived late to the meeting. The train arrives in 10 minutes. Excellent. So now we know how to deliver something, and we know how to arrive somewhere. Let's connect that with the next idea. Third word is share. Share means to give part of something to someone else. Say it with me. Can I share my notes with you? They shared a meal together. He shared his umbrella when it rained. Good job. We've delivered, we've arrived, and we've shared. Now, let's practice a word that describes when something doesn't work. Fourth word is broken. Broken means not working or damaged. Say it with me. My laptop is broken. The chair leg was broken. His phone screen is broken after the fall. Now picture it. A broken screen, a broken chair. That picture helps your brain keep the word. Nice. You can imagine what's broken. Let's finish this section with a word that describes courage. Fifth word is brave. Brave means not afraid, even in a difficult situation. Say it with me. She was brave during the storm. Firefighters are brave people. He felt brave when he gave a speech. Think about a moment in your life when you had to be brave. Now, the word is personal. It belongs to you. Great work so far. Let's keep going with 5 more words to build your vocabulary even stronger. 6th word is repair. Repair means to fix something. Say it with me. I need to repair my car. The plumber repaired the sink. She repaired her relationship with her friend. Notice how repair connects with the word broken. It's the solution. 7th word is prepare. Prepare means to get ready for something. Say it with me. I need to prepare for my exam. He prepared dinner for the family. They prepared a speech for the wedding. Can you think of something you need to prepare for today? 8th word is borrow. Borrow means to take something for a short time and give it back later. Say it with me. Can I borrow your pencil? She borrowed a dress from her sister. He borrowed money from the bank. Remember, you don't keep it forever. You give it back. 9th word is lend. Lend is the opposite of borrow. It means to give something to someone for a short time. Say it with me. Can you lend me $5? I lent her my book. He lent his car to his brother. Borrow and lend always go together. One person borrows, the other person lends. 10th word is improve. Improve means to make something better. Say it with me. I want to improve my English. She improved her cooking skills. The company improved its service. Think of one small thing you can do today to improve your English. Quick challenge. Pick one new word every day. Make 3 sentences with it, say them out loud, and try to use it in real conversation. Remember, use it or lose it. Here is a visualization tip. Your brain loves images. Don't just say words, see them. Example, swim. I like to swim in the pool. Now, imagine yourself in the water. Hear the splash. Feel the cool water. The children swam in the lake. We swam together at the beach. That's how you turn a word into something unforgettable. Connected words are stronger than random words. Example, food. Tasty. This pizza is tasty. Spicy. The soup was very spicy. Fresh. I love fresh fruit in the morning. Now let's put it all together. The fresh vegetables made a tasty soup, but it was too spicy for me. See how the words link together? That's how memory works. All right, that's a wrap for today's lesson. You've just practiced 10 new words, repeated them in real sentences, imagined them in pictures, and even connected them into stories. That's exactly how you make English stick. Remember, English doesn't live in your notebook. It lives in your mouth, in your thoughts, and in your daily life. Keep using it, keep playing with it, and keep building confidence step by step. I'm Megan, and this has been English with Ease. Take these words with you today, try them out, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, stay curious, stay brave, and keep speaking English.